Hello friends, in this business video, we are going to tell you about a fast-growing company in 2026, which is going to launch in more than 10 countries. This system is a rapidly emerging artificial intelligence cloud-based service provider in the world. It provides its servers on a rental model in the gaming sector, AI sector, and crypto mining sector. Cloud services are available at very high prices, with rates ranging from lakhs of rupees depending on demand. So, instead of purchasing those expensive services, people rent servers from this company at a cheaper rate. They are also going to launch their own crypto token on the market, which will be used for utilities, shopping, and staking. You will be able to buy and sell tokens on various crypto exchanges. The company's name is Hyperbolic Global. Their website is hyperbolicglobal.com. You can find their app on the Play Store under the name GPU Cartel. The system is built entirely on decentralized technology. Their head office is in New York City, USA. Mr. Jasper Jung is the CEO and founder of the company. Hyperbolic Global's team includes top architect engineers from around the world who are masters in the field of artificial intelligence. Joining packages for the next GPU, graphic processing unit, are shown. 5 packages have been created, ranging from $50 to $150, depending on market demand. Facilities and profits vary with each package. The company rents these packages on an hourly basis. Portion of the company's profit is shared with its distributors. Each package you purchase offers a daily GPU rent profit of 2% to 4%. To do this, you must open your ID daily, go to the Deploy GPUs option, and press the Deploy and Get Rent button. Only then will your purchased server package work. Your daily profit may vary depending on market demand. You will receive 3 times the profit income for each package you purchase. You can directly invest in the server. You can also increase this income through referrals. By referring 1 to 6 direct referrals, your income will increase to 2x plus. By referring 7 to 20 direct referrals, your income will increase to 3x plus. And by referring 21 direct referrals, you can generate as much income as you want from this system. Next, you can profit by forming a team. More people you refer directly, the more you will receive a 10% direct referral bonus. Next, you can claim a self-performance bonus. This increases according to your direct referrals. By referring 6 direct referrals, you will receive an extra 1% on top of your daily self-referral profit. By referring 14 direct referrals, you will receive an extra 2%. Similarly, if you make 100 direct referrals, you can increase your daily profit by up to 6% as a self-performance bonus. Next, information about cartel share is provided. This income is distributed daily to all your teams, up to 21 levels. You'll also receive this daily benefit on top of the GPU rent profit you're currently receiving. If you direct 5 IDs, you'll open 1 to 3 levels, earning 4% daily. The highest combined income from these 3 levels is $25 daily. If you direct 10 IDs, you'll open 4 to 7 levels, earning 3% daily. Up to 7 levels, you can earn a maximum daily income of $50. With 15 direct IDs, you'll open 8 to 15 levels, earning 2% daily. Up to 15 levels, you can earn up to $75 daily from the team. Similarly, you'll direct 21 IDs, earning 16 to 21 levels, earning 2% daily. Up to 21 levels, you can earn up to $100 daily from the team. The next bonus is the daily perk bonus. When your 5 direct IDs reach a total of 50, you reach Pixel rank. You become an achiever. You start receiving $5 in daily perk income for 10 days. If you make 1 new direct referral every 10 days, you'll continue to receive this perk income for this first rank. Similarly, at the second rank, Analyst, you earn a daily perk income of $10, at the third rank, you earn $20, and at the highest rank, Pioneer, you earn a daily perk income of $1,000. Keep track of the new direct referrals you make every 10 days. Next, you can earn fixed deposit income by storing funds in your wallet. You can start with $50. You'll earn 1% daily profit on a 1-month fixed deposit. Similarly, you'll earn 6% daily profit on a 60-month fixed deposit. Keep in mind that you need a minimum of 5 direct referrals to unlock a fixed deposit. If your direct referral leader is taking a fixed deposit, you'll also earn 5% of their amount. You will get it in the form of bonus. Next income is team gratuity bonus, which can be earned based on business from 21 level team. It will be closed every 10 days. The next to next new business will be as per the business level shown. For level opening, you will also have to fulfill the condition of one-time direct referral. 5 direct referrals are required from level 1 to 3, 10 direct referrals from level 4 to 5, 15 direct referrals from level 6 to 7, and 21 direct referrals from level 8 to 21. At the first level, the team's business must be worth $10,000 and a daily compounding bonus of 0.25% will be awarded. At the second level, the team's business must be worth $100,000 and a daily compounding bonus of 0.25% will be awarded. You can check the details of the next level by pausing the video slide. Next, you can enable level matching income by directly adding 6 IDs. IDs from 3 legs are counted here. 50% IDs from the power leg, 20% IDs from any second leg, and 30% IDs from any third leg. At level 1, you'll receive a $50 reward upon reach ING1 to IDs. At level 2, you'll receive a $100 reward upon reach ING to 0 IDs. Similarly, you can earn a maximum reward of up to $1 million. Next, as mentioned at the beginning, their crypto token is going to be launched under the name Hyperbolic. Its ecosystem, internal planning, and upcoming developments are discussed. The estimated growth rate for 5 years is shown. Finally, Hyperbolic Global's terms and conditions are shown. Bank withdrawals are available Monday through Friday every week, with withdrawals restricted on bank holidays. The minimum withdrawal limit is $5. A 20% charge will be deducted for bank withdrawals and a 30% charge for USDT withdrawals. You must open your ID daily and click the Deploy Get Rent button to generate income. All users must complete KYC. Withdrawals without KYC will incur a 35% charge. After earning 3 times the amount of the package you subscribe to, you will need to make a new direct referral to earn further income. You can also join Hyperbolic's Telegram and WhatsApp channels directly through the barcode shown. So, this was the complete business model of the Hyperbolic Global concept. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.